Rockstar's new merchandise collection includes a few awesome looking Arthur Morgan inspired clothes that I would love to wear in real life, but when I look at the prices, I think I need more gold bars to afford this. So I did some research and now I'll show you how you can theoretically save $490 for 5 products with good high quality alternatives. Let's go. So we're starting with the Gunslinger Jacket for $250 and the better alternative is the Woolrich Jacket for $75. Make sure to choose the right color. Next up we have the Bone White Shirt for $92 and the way better and cheaper alternative is for $24 only. This is not an advertisement, by the way. The next item is the Denim Shirt for $150. I would recommend the Port Authority Men's Tall Long Sleeve for you. It's made out of cotton. Next up we have the Railroad Shirt for $120. And my choice for this style is the Men's Banker Striped Shirt for $87. And it's made out of cotton and I think it comes very close to Arthur Morgan's style. So take this into consideration. Next up we have the Everyday Shirt in blue. And my alternative for this product, this shirt from Arthur Red Dead Redemption 2, is the button down Man's Classic Fit Shirt. If you buy this shirt instead of the original, you'll save $100. So with all the products showed here, it's up to you if you want to support Rockstar Games or if you can't afford these type of products and you want to buy something more affordable. This is my alternative for you.